hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set up Zoho Sign on Zoho CRM platform. So for that you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search Zoho CRM. Now select the first website, log into your account right here. After that select profile icon and now select access Zoho CRM. After coming on the home page, you guys will need to select this settings icon right here. Now go with this Zoho option right here. Now scroll down till the last and see this Zoho sign. Now select its setup now button. Right here you just need to tick these boxes and after that select continue to install. Now choose one of these options and then select confirm button. And after some time you guys will get on this page right here, and now you have successfully set up your Zoho sign on your Zoho CRM platform. So that's how you guys do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.